Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be customizing my bike that I buy in my last video. So this is my old bike, as you can see. If you don't watch my this bike video, so I give the link in description. So here it is, my new bike that I buy in my last video. So today I'm going to be customizing this bike. So in my last video I'm going to show you how to buy a bikes and cars in Watch Dogs 2. So I buy this bike here at Auto Eli dealership. So I am customizing my this bike from this Auto Eli dealership. So let's go here and customize my this bike. So let's go. So guys, if you like, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. This bike is super amazing. So if you don't watch my previous video how to buy cars and bikes in Watch Dogs 2, so I get the link in description. So here it is, the Auto Eli dealership. So Auto Eli dealership say me you're gonna park your bike here and we customize it. So guys, let me go to my hacker space. Here it is. So I will see you after one day. So guys, this is the next evening. So I'm going to Auto Eli to take my bike. So I think this one is. So let's go and take my customized bike. So I customize the color and I remove the saddlebags and the hood. So let's go to take my delivery of my new bike. So guys, I will see you on to the Auto Eli dealership.
A few moments later.
So guys, I am on to the Auto Eli. 1, 2, 3, guys, here it is, my new bike in red color. It looks amazing. Oh my god, it looks amazing. So let's try it and go to my favorite place, the Golden Gate Bridge here, and test this bike speed. So I also modify the color and lights, as you can see here it is. It is very amazing bike. So let's go and test this bike.
What?
It takes almost 24 hours to customize my this bike, but it looks amazing. It looks amazing. So if you like, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So Golden Gate Bridge is 800 meters far. So here is the Golden Gate Bridge. So the speed is amazing. I also fix a turbo tuning and boost. So boost is amazing. So here it is, the Golden Gate Bridge. So let's take a screenshot for my thumbnail. So it's done. So let's 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. So guys, if you watch more videos, I give a link in description of videos. So check out my previous videos. I give the link in description. So speed is amazing. Guys, amazing speed. Guys, let's get back to our hacker space. So where should I go? The Marine hacker space or in San Francisco hacker space? So let's go to Marine hacker space. Here it is. So let's go here. So let's try boost. Oh my gosh. It is amazing speed with boost and also without boost. So guys, if you want a mission of a Just Cause 3, tell me in comment section.
You alright?
Oh my god. Literal build that. Don't worry.
Hey, you!
I will cure
asshole!
this bike. So let's go to the hacker space. So to hacker space here. It is 400 meter. Far. 300. So amazing. I really like this bike. It is better than my old bikes. Okay, here it is, my Marine hacker space. So let's park our bike and go into the hacker space. So let's park here and go to the into the hacker space. Where should I go? I think yes, here. So here it is. It is a very secret hacker space. As you can see, dead sec. So let's go. So guys, that is it for this video. If you like, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. I will see you in my next video. Bye.